Welcome to the online auction for the 2012 Meridian 391 Flybridge electric conversion. Opening bid $300,000. Reserve price is confidential. Viewings available at Keppel Bay Marina, Singapore. Book your slot on BASCO's Boat Guru platform. Meet Singapore's first fully electric charter yacht. Zero emissions. Whisper quiet cruising, no diesel fumes, no engine noise. Full electric conversion delivers silent propulsion for peaceful days on the water. Emission-free operation protects marine life and coastal air quality. Electric motors require minimal service, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Energy-efficient design lowers running expenses dramatically compared to diesel yachts. Perfect for charter operators or private owners seeking a hassle-free boating lifestyle. Turnkey ownership. This yacht is ready to cruise today. Spacious Flybridge with panoramic 360-degree views. Ample seating around a central helm for guests to relax or navigate. Integrated wet bar and sunpad areas enhance onboard entertainment. Step inside to an open-plan salon flooded with natural light. Plush seating, integrated audio-visual system, and panoramic windows create a luxurious atmosphere. Dinette converts easily to additional berth. Below deck, 2 ensuite cabins offer premium comfort. The forward master cabin features a queen berth, abundant storage, and private head with modern fittings. The guest cabin aft to port includes a twin berth layout and separate head. High-quality upholstery and wood finishes throughout craftsmanship. Electric drive powers smooth acceleration and precise handling. Instant torque delivers responsive performance at any speed. The vessel exhibits a maximum speed of 8 knots and a cruising speed of 7 knots. Extended range on a single charge supports day trips and overnight escapes. Shore power charging and fast charge capability mean minimal downtime between outings. A comprehensive monitoring system displays battery status, energy usage, and range estimates at the helm. Ideal for ecotourism ventures, on-water wellness retreats, and corporate charters. Guests will appreciate silent cruising and unobstructed views of marine life. Private owners will love ease of operation and minimal fuel expenses. Live aboard or weekend getaway. This yacht adapts to every adventure. Join the green boating revolution in Singapore and stand out in a growing market. Benefit from lower operating costs, government incentives for electric vessels, and rising demand for sustainable experiences. Don't miss this rare chance to own a landmark vessel. Place your offer now on BASCO's Boat Guru platform. Be part of the future of yachting, electric, efficient, exceptional. Come on board. BASCO is the most reliable and effective boating platform in Asia-Pacific. It's our mission to empower members of the boating community to lead a more fulfilling boating lifestyle with the most comprehensive boating knowledge and efficient boating services. We strive to address issues faced by the boating community in the traditional boat brokerage by investing our time to understand our clients and their needs so as to provide accurate information and present our best practices to help them achieve their innermost dreams about life at sea. Come on board and hit that subscribe button and stay ahead with the latest in the boating industry, from buying and selling to maintenance and lifestyle. Come on board. Your next great voyage starts here.